Chapter 31 Biographical Sketches. A biographical sketch means an account of the life and activities of an individual or family. It includes information about the person's name, place of residence, education, occupation, life and activities, and other important details. A biographical sketch is always written by someone else except the person on whom it is written. It provides the pen picture of that person. A bio sketch presents the facts about the person's life, including what the person did and how he or she influenced the world. It should describe the person's personality and provide an explanation for why he or she acted in certain ways. Most bio sketches not only present facts but also tell what those facts mean. Points to ponder over. Written in third person. Significant and impressive points be included. Special awards or recognitions be mentioned. Be descriptive. Main points to be included. Name and age. Main personality traits. Special interests. Education and training. Special contribution or research, if any. Why people like him or her. Such sketches focus on the biographical details besides the achievements and honors conferred on. Sample biographical sketches. First, Vikram Seth. Vikram Seth is an Indian novelist and a poet born on 20th June 1952. He has written several novels and penned 6 volumes of poetry. Seth has travelled far and wide and lived in Britain, California, India and China. The Golden Gate, a novel in verse, 1986 was his first novel. A Suitable Boy, 1993 and An Equal Music, 1999 are some of his famous novels. The first volume of poetry that Seth wrote was Mappings, 1980. It includes translations of work by Chinese, German, and Hindi poets. He also wrote The Frog and the Nightingale, 1994, Beastly Tales, 1991, and Three Chinese Poets, 1992. In 2007, he was awarded the Padma Shri in Literature and Education. Second, using the information given, write a biographical sketch of Miss Deepti Bhatnagar, an English teacher, in about 80 words. Age, 39 years. Family, married, 1 daughter, 1 son. Education, MA in English, B.Ed from Sikkim Manipal University. Teaches in a senior secondary school in New Delhi, has 15 years of experience in teaching. Pleasing personality, friendly, motivates the students for reading, well prepared, uses innovative teaching aids, likes reading and cooking. Miss Deepti Bhatnagar is an English teacher in a senior secondary school in New Delhi. She is married and is mother to a daughter and a son. She has done MA in English and B.Ed from Sikkim Manipal University. She has an experience of 15 years in teaching at secondary level. She has a pleasing personality and is very friendly. She teaches in an interesting manner and motivates the students to develop the habit of reading. She is always well prepared about her lessons. She uses various innovative teaching aids while teaching. She likes reading novels and cooking traditional dishes. Third, Sanjay is a tour guide at Agra Fort in Agra. Write his biographical sketch with the help of the hints given below. Age, 32 years. Graduate in economics. Good knowledge of the monument. Provides information to tourists. Comprehensive knowledge of local history. Converses in a polite manner. Enjoys his work. Language fluency, Hindi, Urdu and English. Sanjay is a 32 years old tour guide. He had done his graduation in economics. He possesses a good knowledge of the architecture and the history of the monument and comprehensive knowledge of local history of Agra. He guides the visitors who come to visit the Agra fort in their native language and provides them information about the monument. He converses with the tourists in a polite manner. He knows Hindi, Urdu, and English and can converse fluently in each one of them. He enjoys his work very much as he gets to meet a variety of people from all walks of life. Fourth, write a biographical sketch of Kiran Bedi with the help of the hints given below. Born 1949, Amritsar. Education, postgraduate from Punjab University, LLB from Delhi University. Achievement, first woman IPS officer, brought reforms in Tihar Jail, established 2 organizations for underprivileged. Awards, President's Gallantry Award, Ramon Magsaysay Award. Kiran Bedi was born in 1949 at Amritsar in Punjab. She received her master's degree in political science from Punjab University. She completed her LLB from Delhi University. She was the first woman to join the Indian Police Services. During her tenure as the Inspector General of Tihar Jail, she brought about several reforms in the way the prisons are managed. She has received a number of awards which includes President's Gallantry Award, Ramon Magsaysay Award for Government Service. She led the foundation of 2 voluntary organizations which aimed to improve the living conditions of underprivileged people.